Hi guys, welcome back to Garrett Clay's Life channel. Now today, we're going to talk about bees. Now as you see here, there's tons of flies around me, but sorry flies, I'm not talking about you today. Now, let's get into it. Now, as you see here, there's a bee right there. Let's see if we can find other bees. Let's see. That was the only bee I saw right now, but there's plenty more. Now, did you know that bees help people a lot? Because once they get on the flower, guess what? They do this thing called pollination. Now that means when a bee, so they go to the flower, get its pollen, and maybe get some seeds, and when it drops the seeds or some pollen, it plants other plants, and guess what it plants? More fruits and vegetables. And that's really good for me because guess what I am? A vegetarian. So that's good for me too. So that's why bees are important to me and everyone else. And also, did you know that bees, it's not true they can only sting one time. Actually, bees can sting lots of times to bugs because they have different texture of skin. But people, they have their skin's more different, except they can sting people 3 to 1 time. But mainly, it's only 3 times for humans. And you might think that's a hoax, but it's actually true. Now, next up, let's talk about how bees, difference between a worker bee and a queen bee. Now, queen bees are more skinnier and have less stripes and more yellow, while worker bees have more kind of orangish kind of bodies and smaller and more stripes. And did you know that wasps, hornets, and yellow jackets are different from bees? Now, bees are more fuzzy, cute, bigger eyes, smaller, friendlier, and help and are not predators. While wasps are more bald, more white, more black, and have really no stripes, more dots and stripes, and are less fuzzy. Now, let's talk about how not to kill bees. Now, please guys, not just bees, don't kill any animals. That's why I made this life channel. But also, don't kill bees because bees help you, me, animals, and everything else. And also bees, would you like it if someone just killed you, stepped on you, or hit you, or sprayed you with raid, or I don't know, anything that you can do to kill something. But please don't kill them because that's not nice. And now you're probably wasps, bees, hornets, and yellow jackets are just mean because they sting you. Actually, you're the mean person here, because they only sting you for a reason. That's because you're hurting them. Now, if you're not hurting them or anything, you're not bothering them, well then that's probably because the bees think you're hurting them. My sister got stung 2 times by bees, and she wasn't doing anything to affect them. That's because the bees thought that she was hurting her. Well, she was hurting them. And did you know that male bees can't sting? All they do is just mate with the queens, and not kind of like ants. They die after they mate, except they have a longer life. Bye, guys.